is Henan. My name is Sonia. I'm now standing outside our factory, Henan Bangni. So I'm so pleased to introduce to you and your team. So let's get inside. We have the 4 buildings in our factory, and over there we have the 3 buildings for warehouse and platform. And this one is our office building. So let's get inside to see it first. And now I'm standing in the 2nd floor of our office, so you can follow me to see. So for this area is administration room. Actually, we add for each week. Monday we have the meeting, so they all for the meeting now. So for this room is our expectation room, so we can get inside to check. So we just show the history of Henan Bangni. And for this part is we actually so proud of that. We are the suppliers for the military troops in China. So for this part is for all the sports made of the EVA materials, the sports insoles. We also have the all therapeutic insoles there for this area. So for this room is showing all the products and insoles we made before and the new products we just develop now. For the production line. So also we have molds there. So actually we're standing in the 2nd floor of this workshop. So in the 2nd floor we have the cold forming production line and hot forming production line. So this is cold forming. Automatic sewing production line, so you can check the inserts we made. And now this is another part of the sewing production line. Building C, and for the building C, the 2nd floor is the packaging. We actually have the 2 team for the packaging to handle the large production. And this is our R&D department area, and for all this machines, like the production lines for the simple order and new product. So this is our video production line, and this video actually is actually for you, Hannah, your team, and also your company, Dr. Shu. So we are thinking that you can come to our factory to visit, and we are looking forward to your cooperation. And thank you. See you.